Let's learn how to add a new drawing profile and configure to be accessible on Structure System and weldments on SolidWorks. First, open the drawing profile you want to add. Let us check the Structure System and notice that only the standard C channel profile are available. Now double-click on the sketch and make sure that the sketch is fully defined. Click on Configuration and notice that it is configured as default. Now it's time to create the profile. Click Save As and make sure to save it on the desktop for the meantime, since SolidWorks does not allow direct change on its directory while on use. Rename file to your preferred profile cluster to identify it properly. On Save As type, select libfeet part. Click Save and let's proceed in configuring the profile. On Configurations, right-click and select Properties and change the configuration name and description according to your drawing profile. In this case, it's C125 by 65 by 6 by 8. Click the check and select Feature Manager. Double-click on the sketch to view dimensions. Right-click on mouse on the dimension and select Configure Dimension. This will allow you to define your profile and add configuration. Click OK for now and proceed. Notice that there is only one dimension. To add more, double-click on the next dimension of the drawing you want to add. Click on Enter Name and type Design Table or your preferred name for this configuration. Click Save Table View. Now you can add more configuration or profile dimensions to automatically adjust it according to your desired specification. In this case, I will add a C100 by 50 channel and indicate the necessary dimensions. Click Save Table View and click Save after adding your specs. You can add as many as you want to be able to have a wide selection of profile. On Configuration, notice that the entered profiles are visible. When you double-click on it, the sketch will update or rebuild accordingly. This profile is now ready. Make sure to save and close the file. Next, you can now copy the created configured profile from your desktop. Copy the file and paste it in SolidWorks weldments folder, either in ISO or ANSI folder. Make sure not to overwrite any of the original files to avoid errors. Now check if the profiles is available on Structure System and Weldments on SolidWorks.
Subscribe for more.